Yo, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Charlie Poke here. Cutting the video with a new program that well, it's not new, but it's new to me. It's called Cash Club Funding. Cash Club Fund. There's no monthly fees. Alright? You have to order your kit. This program, you have to order your kit. I had this for a while, but I'm going to show you to you what I got in the mail. This is it. This is the envelope that came in the mail. Where's from? You know. Here's the letter. As you probably see everybody has. Everybody gets. Okay. This is a program that I've been always wanting to try to get myself in. Get in. It only costs $100 to start. That's it. It's just $100. Check it out. The owner do everything for you. You ain't got to mail nothing. Don't need no stamps. Don't need no envelopes. None of that. So I'm just setting myself up. So for the next time, you'll see how this program is. You know? Another page. It's a flip over page. When you come in, you have a number. This is my number. See it? 482. It's upside down. 482-9764. That's my number. Okay. So I'm just waiting for my website to be set up so I can start getting cash in the mail. Okay. I'll be able to cut my next video more proper for you. And I'll go to you in details. Yes. Your license fee, when you pay your $100, you have your license fee. I don't know if you can see it on here. It's a one-time license. Okay. One-time license. And all you do, you use your envelope with your number on the back of it. It's coded to you. And in this program, I'm just getting set up. I'm going to set myself up. All you need $100. One-time shot deal to set this program up where you can get cash in the mail. And you'll be in a rotator. This rotator goes around for people that don't have no sponsors, that where the sponsor hooked up. He hooked it up where you're being 5 levels. You're being 5 levels with this program. Every level is $20. So I'm going to show you right here. You're going to see this right here. You'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All them names are going to be had $20 underneath of them. So the next time you see this with me, you see me on a list in my back office. Once I get set up, once I send in my $100, just like I just showed you, once I send this in, and I get my website where I can show you in my back office. But for that, I just want to cut a video and let you know what's going on. And your boy Charles Pope setting himself up. All right. I'm still with 30-Day Success Formula 2. That's another one. Watch the money come in the mail. These are 2 programs that pays you cash. That deals with cash. You know what I'm saying? 30-Day Success Formula. sends out $200 for you. Okay? But nevertheless, this is your boy Charlie Pope. And I'm just seeing you later. Goodbye. This video will be out there somewhere. All right? God bless you. Later.